we're entering a period now where what I've called emotional, perceptual blitzkrieg will be thrown at us. And what I mean by that is so many different things like shocks that people have just got their head round one before another one comes in. Trump has been owned by Israel and Israel interests for a very, very long time. It's no surprise that suddenly all these Israel-centric people have been named in his administration. I mean, it is extraordinary how many buffoons are now in positions of political power, not least in Starmer's government. I mean, it's like, it's not spot the buffoon, it's spot anyone who isn't. And something I've failed on this far, I have to say. Take me home, mother is mad down here.